Hello, I'm Paul Sorrell, and I can hear a grey warbler singing right now, which is getting me really excited because that bird is on the cover of my new book, which I'm publishing with Exile. I'm very excited about this book because I'm passing on my top tips and techniques and skills for you to go out and photograph wild birds in your backyard, in your local parks and gardens. You don't need a lot of top-end gear to start off in wildlife photography. You can start off with your smartphone or a simple point-and-shoot camera. I find that getting out and photographing birds is something that actually gives me not just pleasure, but when things are all coming together, a sense of joy, and it's an indescribable feeling. It's also such a good antidote to my workaday life as an editor, where I'm sitting behind my computer all day. My book covers a whole lot of stuff that you won't find in the normal How to Photograph Wildlife book. For example, there's a chapter on Are Birds Art? What makes a photograph aesthetically pleasing? How to market your work, how to enter competitions, how to get published in magazines and maybe do a book of your own one day. Basically, I want to introduce you to a new way of seeing through the eye of the lens, which will get you closer to the birds, which will get you more tuned in, which will show you new ways of appreciating and understanding nature. So this is the book, Getting Closer, Rediscovering Nature Through Bird Photography. I really hope that this is the book that'll get you closer to nature and allow you to create some fabulous imagery.